What is up, sis? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kensha and welcome. So girl, I did some shopping and I was able to get the new fall collection, of course. So I got my little goodie bag here, starting off. So I picked up the black raspberry vanilla. This is what she looks like. I am in love with this packaging, y'all. This packaging is just screaming fall time. So the scent notes are fresh raspberries, vine ripened blackberries, vanilla orchid, and creamy sandalwood. To me, let me know if you have this scent, because this is a scent that you can actually pick up right now in store. Well, not in store, sorry. You can pick this up online in the older packaging. Apparently this is a scent that they bring back, I guess, every year around this time. I do remember seeing this scent, I want to say last SAS, or if not like the year before. But it wasn't like a scent that I just gravitated towards, and I'm kind of like beating myself up like, dang, I'm glad I'm able to try this now, because I should have been picked this up. But to me, this literally smells like fresh raspberries that you can buy from the store in the produce section, and blackberries. This smells like a very fresh, fruity, outdoorsy scent to me. That creamy sandalwood, I don't get too much of that, but you do get a hint of that vanilla orchid. But yeah, I like this. This is going to be a good everyday fresh fruity type of scent, especially if you love those blueberries and raspberries. Did you want to smell this one? What do you think about it? You like it? It's good. Okay. Nora likes this one, y'all, so this is going to be a keeper for us. I don't know if I didn't mention this, but I got all the fall scents in the fine fragrance mints, not the lotions. So yeah, next up we have Miss Coconut Candy Apple. This is a scent that I wasn't really sure about. Just like when I saw it online, I was like, what is that gonna smell like? Yeah, I probably frowned up just like I frowned up saying that. That's probably how I was looking at the photo, like, that don't sound like that's gonna be a good combination. Scent notes are candy red apple, shredded coconut, and vanilla spice. Now, I'm not really too keen on apple notes, but I am a fan of coconut. So let's see what this smells like. That apple, that red apple is very sweet.
It's so sweet. It smells like chili.
To me, how can I put this? It smells really good. I really don't get any coconut in this. You definitely get more of the candy apple, and the candy apple reminds me of the candy apple note that I would get when I'm smelling the berry waffle cone. It smells like a fair. Like, this smells like a true candy apple with the caramel on top from the fair. And it's like they would put like shredded coconut on top, because that coconut isn't really sweet. The vanilla spice is, to me, is what brings this together. Like, if they had this in a home fragrance, I would buy it, because this is not really giving me too much of body care for me. This smells like a really good home fragrance. Like, if they had this in the room spray or the candle, your girl is picking this up. I don't think this is a scent that I would prefer on my body as a body care fragrance, but room spray, home fragrance, yeah, this is the one. Because this just smells like fall, a fall fair, a fall festive, like where you can go and get your face painted or do hair rise. This is what this reminds me of. So yeah, this is good. This is just not a scent for me, but like I said, home fragrance, your girl is in there like swimwear buying it. Next up we have Honey Wildflower. Now, I don't know, I know Bath and Body Works, from the promo pictures, they plan on doing like a candle, body care, full body care set, and I believe perfume. So I'm guessing this might be a part of the new signature collection, kind of like how they did Sunshine Mimosa and Daydream, Midsummer Daydream.
Yummy, that's my favorite.
Notes are fresh pear, fresh wildflowers, and sweet honey. This is nice. Now, I definitely get the wildflowers and the honey. I don't really get that pear note. And the pear note really, if it was there, it would just remind me of like all of the other pear fragrance that they've been doing this summer. But this scent is nice. It's not overwhelming. It's more of a scent you could get away with wearing every single day. So, and it's a bit warm. I think the honey makes it a little warm. But it's nice. It's just not like something that is honestly wowing me. It's just okay. But I like it. I don't love it. It's like I said, it's just okay. So that was Honey Wildflower. Next up, this is one that I really wanted from this collection. This is the Marigold and Cane Sugar. Super cute packaging. I don't know. This is just giving me 90s vibes. But scent notes are golden citrus, sunshine marigold, cane sugar, and warm amber. I think this is another scent that will probably be like more of an outdoorsy scent.
Let me smell. Yum, yum.
This one, the citrus is there, but it's not overwhelming. It's not like one of those citruses like you're like wham, bam, in your face citrus. This is, the Marigold is there. So this is a floral with a hint of citrus and warm amber. I don't really get no sweetness to this personally, but that warm amber is what's making me really gravitate towards this scent. I'm like, I'm gonna wear this in the morning and at night. It's fresh, like outdoors. This is nice. That's the best way I can describe it. This is one that you might have to try for yourself to see if you truly like it. I like it. It's a fresh, warm citrus with amber. The amber is what's bringing this scent together. So I like it.
You did this one.
The next one that I have is white tea and sage. Now, I adore white tea and sage. And the hand soap, I feel like this is a scent that either you like it or you don't. There's no in between. You have to have like a nose for this scent. But this smells identical to the candle and the hand soap. I have both. The scent notes are sparkling bergamot, white tea, fresh sage, and violet woods. To me, this kind of reminds me of like, it gives me aromatherapy essence because of that sage. You know, lately Bath and Body Works, they've been putting a lot of sage and mint in their aromatherapy, especially with the new the tea tree collection that they brought out, and the hemp seed aromatherapy. This definitely reminds me of that. It's really pretty to me. And not everybody would like this scent. This is more of a mature scent, in my opinion. You definitely get the sage. The sage is there, but the tea brings it more brings the warmthness, and then the bergamot makes it more fresh. So this is a fresh, outdoorsy type of scent. Another outdoorsy scent. I guess maybe that's what they were going for with this collection, because I'm really getting outdoorsy vibes from these scents. I think you could wear this every day, but you have to be careful with this because the bergamot in this is very strong, and the sage in this is very strong. But this is nice. So I like it. Like I said, if you like the hand soap and the candle in this, definitely pick it up in the body care.
Let me.
I also picked up the Happy Halloween Vampire Blood. I was super excited for this body care.
It's clear, man.
The apple in this just brings it all together. I don't know the other scent notes in this, but I definitely get the apple, and your girl is excited about this. Now, I thought this, the cream, not the cream, but the liquid in this would be red, but y'all, it's clear. I was hoping it was red, like actual vampire blood, but this is clear. I liked it. I washed my hands with it, and it is just super nice. If you've recently like picked up vampire blood in the past and like the candle, it smells just like that. So I'm really loving the reflective black packaging. It's just screaming fall, and it's got me ready for Halloween for sure. I also picked up vampire blood. Love the reflective packaging on this. I'm not sure why my camera, there we go. It's not focusing, but there's bats on this, and it's red, and it's just screaming fall time. This is another one that I was like, sprayed it, and I was like, yo, like I need this in everything, and I need it in the body care. This is really, really good. I also picked up Midnight Orchid in Fresh Fall Morning. Fresh Fall Morning, I don't know if they're going to come out with this in a candle, but if they do, y'all, I got to pick this up in the candle. Like, I'm going to need to stock up on some of these candles. Like, I need Vampire Blood in the candle, and I need Fresh Fall in the candle. Like, this fall collection like has me super excited for fall, and I'm a fall person. Like, I'm a summer baby, but fall truly has my heart. So let me know down below what scents you're ready to pick up. I know they haven't dropped these scents online, so hopefully in the next few days they do drop some of these in store and online. Yeah, so let me know down below what you're excited for fall. Your girl is just super excited right now. Leave me an emoji if you made it this far in
Comment down below.
leave me an emoji down below if you made it this far. A red apple emoji. Your girl is super excited for fall. That emoji is going to make me think of Vampire Blood when I see it. And if you haven't made it this far, girl, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. We are almost at 1,300 subscribers, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.